So you hear stories about how people are able to pay off debt, whatever amount it is, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. What I think about is, one, it's not so much that they paid off the debt, it's the fact that they were able to actually save that much money, and what they ended up spending it on was debt. So if you can do it the first time around, whatever kind of crushing debt that you've been able to do, you can do it second time around for financial independence. Use the same methods that you used when you were trying to crush debt. So that was probably cutting out credit cards if you needed to, if it was consumer debt, reducing your expenses so that you could find a little extra income to put towards debt, and finding creative ways to increase your income. So all of those methods are ways that you can grow the gap between your income and expenses. Once you're done paying off debt, stay with those same methods and start saving for financial independence. Save for your emergency fund 3 to 6 months first, and then after that, start saving it for financial independence, investing, other money goals. Don't stop. This is what me and Danielle have done. We were in that debt mode. It took me 5 years to get to zero. And then after that, I just stuck with those methods.